Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn functions together, step by step. A function is a rule that takes an input and gives one output. The notation f of x just means plug x into the rule. If f of x equals 2x plus 1, then f of 3 means replace every x with 3. 2 times 3 plus 1, which is 7. Input goes in, output comes out. That's the whole idea. On a graph, f of a equals b just means the point A, B, sits on the curve. Where the graph crosses the x-axis, f of x equals 0. Those are the roots. And for composite functions like f of g of x, always work the inside function first, get a number, then feed it into the outside one. Inside out, every time. Let g of x equal x squared minus 4x and find g of 5. Replace every x with 5. 5 squared is 25, and 4 times 5 is 20. So we have 25 minus 20, which equals 5. So g of 5 is 5. Just substitute carefully and follow the order of operations, squaring before subtracting. Now a composite. Let f of x equal 3x minus 2 and g of x equal x plus 4. Find f of g of 2. Start inside. G of 2 is 2 plus 4, which is 6. Now feed that 6 into f. 3 times 6 minus 2 is 18 minus 2 equals 16. So f of g of 2 is 16. Inside first, always. Your functions checklist. 1. To evaluate f of x, substitute the input everywhere. 2. F of a equals b means the point A. B is on the graph. 3. F of x equals 0 gives the x-intercepts. 4. For composites, work from the inside out. When a function is given as an equation, graphing it in Desmos can confirm your value fast. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.